So I'm just back from Joomla Day 2011 in Hamburg, and there I did a few sessions, and one of the sessions was about multi-language, and the video screening wasn't working, so I had to do a screencast. And last hour I did a screencast in German, and I thought it's a good idea to do it also in English because it's about Joomla 1.7 multi-language in core. And well, this is the what we want to have. So we want to have the flags here in English and in another language. So in my case, in German. And I want to have here a different menu, main menu and how to menu. And I want to have different articles here. And the most important thing is I want to have, for example, here an article, and when I click on the English flag, I want to have the translation in English, and I want to have here different breadcrumbs, and I want to have a different login. So this is the German version, this is the English version, and we will do all this. So this is ML for multi-language here, and I have prepared another ML underscore EN for the English version. So this is a Joomla package from a website called JGerman, and JGerman provides the German Joomla package. So you can download here the complete Joomla package in German, and there are several pages like Joomla France, Joomla UK, where you can have these packages in different languages. So I will install this, and I take the English language here, United Kingdom. And yeah, this is the easy thing. So username is root, password is root2. This is ml underscore en. And I get my multi-language Joomla, and we need a kind of an email, and password is admin. So the important thing is we want to have no sample data, no sample data. And well, our Joomla is here, and this is my administrator backend, and here is my site. So this is my naked site here out of the box, Joomla. And yeah, what do I have to do? First, I have to activate a plugin in the plugin manager. And it's a system plugin, and it is called language filter. So I can click simply here on this red button, and then it's enabled. But in Joomla 1.7 it's a bit different because there is a new possibility here, menu associations. So we see this later, what this means. So you can configure here the 3 settings, but I leave it as it is. So go to save and close. And yeah, what do I want to have? Let's go back here. I want to have main menu and the menu in German. And I need here one menu item, which is the first one. And in Joomla 1.6, it was very easy. You could say this home is, for example, English. And when I save this, I get a message, no, one language parameter has to be set to all. So we have to create a dummy menu, more or less. I create here a new menu and say this is the default menu. So it's simply there. And I create a link in this default menu. And yeah, I have to point it somewhere, so I put it to the featured articles. and say you are the default link, and it's set to all. Wonderful. Save and close. And this one is my home. Okay, so I have here the star, and when I go now to the main menu, it's possible to set this home link to English. Ha ha ha. So save and close, and I have to put it on home, and then we see here the English flag. So this is my English menu, and here more or less nothing changed. So I need now here the flags or a drop down, and I have to create a module, and the module I need is called language manager or something like this. No, language switcher. So it's here, and I call it language, but I don't want to have the title, and the position is 7, and I want to have this in all languages because I have only the flags. So here you have the possibility to configure a few things. I will leave this in the default settings. Click on save, and this should be all, I hope. Languages here. Yes, this is a module. I don't know where it comes from, so I put it into the trash. Yeah, when I go back to my page, I have here the English flag. Wonderful. And the English menu and the English login form. So the login form is still for all languages. The main menu is for all languages. We will change that so that the main menu is only for English, and the login form is only for English 2. And I close. Okay. And when I now go to this wonderful thing here, this is all the same, but when I change here to DE, it is empty because I have nothing in German. So I have to create a new menu, and in German we say Hauptmenü. Where is it? Here, Hauptmenü, and we have this Hauptmenü, and I need a link there. The home link in German, it's usually called Startseite. So I go to featured articles and say this is my Startseite, and it's German. Okay. And I have now this menu here. So you see main menu, Hauptmenü, but what's missing is the flag. So I have to put this to home, and then I have here my German flag. But I need a module too. So I have to create a new module, and this is a menu module, and I can call it also Hauptmenü. And the important thing is here, select menu. You have to select now the right menu. In my case, it's Hauptmenü 2. Language is German. And when I I forgot the position. So position 7 is the only one I know, so I can take this one. And when I go to the side, I have now here the German flag, and I have a Hauptmenü. So nice. Okay. And what do I need now? I need the login form in German. So for example, I can duplicate this login form here. So now I have 2 of them, and I say you are in German Anmeldung, and you are not English anymore, you are German. Save and close. And I have here forgot to activate it. So now it's hopefully activated. Yes. So this is German, Hauptmenü, Anmeldung, and this is English. So far, so nice. And here in the breadcrumbs, it is still the same, home. So this is changing here to German, but this is the same. So we can solve that problem by copying the breadcrumbs module. At the moment, the breadcrumbs module is valid for all languages, so I can put this to English, save and close, and copy it simply. And click on duplicate. Yeah, I'm laughing because now you see a nice German translation from breadcrumbs. It's Brot, Krümel, Navigation. Yeah, with a smiley. And it is German, so don't ask how how this is called in Austria or Switzerland. And I say, no, I forgot to change the home into Startseite. Okay, that's Startseite, and I have to activate it. It is unpublished, so I have to publish it. Okay, save and close, and when I have now the German version, it's Startseite, and when I have the English version, it's home. Wonderful. So now we need content, so I can go into the article manager and say I want to have English content, hello world, and I see here is a category uncategorized, so we need another category. And I need a bit of text, so I have a generator here. It is much easier to get text and maybe a read more link. And I want to put this on the front page as featured. So I save and close, have a link on my front page, and I have this article here. Wonderful. So now I need another category because I need the German article. I can go to Content Category Manager, and I have here my uncategorized category, and it is set to English now, and I need to copy that category. So I check uncategorized and say select, add to root, copy, process, and I have another one. And this will be my German, and this is nicht kategorisiert. There it is. And it's German. Voila. So now I have these two categories, and I can go to the article manager and copy my hello world to nicht kategorisiert, copy process, and then I have to change the title because now it's German, so it's not hello world, it's hallo Welt. And yeah, well, that's okay. So I can save and close and have now here my hello world, and when I go to German I have also hello world. That's not good. No, something is wrong. What happens? It's for all languages. So seems to be, no, that's German. Seems to be something wrong here with the copying. And hello world is English. Okay, and I save this, go back to my Startseite. Yeah, now it's hello world, and when I click the other flag, it's hello world, and in German it's hallo Welt. Okay, and the category is nicht kategorisiert, and in English it's uncategorized. Perfect. So far, so good. But now I want to have an about page, so I can say I want to copy the hello world oops, copy to uncategorized and say, okay, this is my about page, about us, and it is set to English, okay, and I want to copy the about page to nicht categorized, nicht kategorisiert, and have to change the title because now it is über uns in German language. Okay, and that's German, and save and close. Yes, now that's perfect, and I want to have menu links. So in the main menu I want to have a link to this article, so that's the single article, and I want to have the about us page, and I say okay, I want to have about us, and it is English. Okay, save and close, and I want to have this link in the German Hauptmenü, and I copy it, process, and I hope it will work. So I have to go to the German Hauptmenü. Yeah, and here's the copy of about us, and I have to change the title to über uns and this to German, the language to German. Yeah, and now I can access about us. And when I now click on the German flag, it goes back to the home page. And this is the behavior from 1.6, and that's not that good. So in 1.7, it is possible to connect menu items. So I have here a menu link about us, and I can go into this menu item association parameter, and yeah, you see here is German DE. At the moment there's no association, but I can say this menu item is associated with the über uns item, and I save this, go back to my page, click to über uns. Oh, why is it now about us? Have I done something wrong? Just a moment. Ooh, what's the problem? Hauptmenü, über uns. I have the wrong article here, so I click on select and take the über uns article. Okay, and you see here is this association to about us. So I go back, go to über uns, and have here über uns, and when I click the English flag I have about us, and that's what we wanted to have. So you see, it's getting better and better and better and better.